Hi everyone, here I am showing how can you use the new application. First, the link I have sent to the WhatsApp group, click on here. Okay, select the browser. Click on the download. Once again the browser. The file will be downloaded soon. It is downloaded. After this, you have to go to the Play Store, and here you have to type Excel. Just click on the search button. You have to install Microsoft Excel Spreadsheet, this app. I have already installed, so that's why it is open is here. In your case, you may have to install this. So after installing, you have to open it, and after opening it, you have to sign in. You must have to sign in. I have already created an account. Just I am showing how to sign up. You can sign up using your phone number also. When if you put your phone number here, a code will be sent to your mobile number. You have to put that code and it will be signed in automatically. No problem. So I am signing in using my own account also. I am pausing. I have signed in. Now you have to open the file from the download. Open, click on the open, then this device, then downloads, and in the download you will find this file. Now when you open this, you will get this type of warning is there. Just close it, don't worry. And the list of functions is available in this here. It is given here. For the English grammar, it is given here. And here you can see those who are available. Okay, just select, okay, suppose negative number. I am selecting the negative number. Here you can see open link is given. Show up. So if you click on the open link, the negative number sheet will be opened automatically. Otherwise, you have to go to the left bottom corner, this icon, left bottom corner, this icon. If you click on this icon, then you can see all the sheets available here. You can change any sheet from anywhere, no problem. Here what you have to do, suppose in case of learning the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, okay, here you can see three types of special color is given. one is yellow, another one is orange, and another one is white. In the yellow you can change the number. Suppose I am giving 3 digits. So all the numbers will be maximum of 3 digit. And how many numbers? If you want, it can be 5. So 5 numbers of 3 digit you have to add it here. You have to add manually, and thereafter scroll down and you can see the result is there. Check out whether your result is correct or not, and thereafter if it is correct or wrong, whatever it is, try to correct your errors, mistakes, and thereafter you don't need to change once again these and these yellow colors. Just click on the orange cell, then this circle dot, click on the circle dot, and then click on the clear. The number will be automatically changed. You don't have to do anything else. Now add once again and check your result whether it is correct or not. In this way you can see this. Blue color is the result, final answer. So in this way you can change only yellow cell. These are the settings. You can set the settings, and if you want to change automatically, just you have to click on the orange cell, then this circle, and then clear. It will be changed automatically. And here in this case, if you cannot do anything on this red cell, white cell, so that you don't damage the original things. You cannot change anything else here also. It is not allowed. So the sheet will be protected from the childish use also. No, not much about this. And if you want to practice the negative number, just go to the negative number page, and thereafter you practice it. Try to solve without checking the original answer, and thereafter you go to below and check how it is done. And when it is done automatically, then once again go to the orange cell and clear. It will be changed automatically. Okay, I hope you will face no more problem. Thank you.